Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Tally ERP 9 as an administrator so you have full access. This prevents permission errors later. Once the application is running, immediately create a fresh backup of the company you will modify because changing paths can risk file availability. Make sure you note both the current data and backup folder locations, write them down, or copy the paths. Doing this now saves time and gives you a fallback, so proceed only after you have the backup and path notes. You now change the backup path through Gateway of Tally into F12. Configure. This area adjusts file locations. Once inside, locate backup configuration or data location settings and enter the full new path using a map drive or UNC path, /server name /backups as needed. After entering the path, make sure the destination folder exists on disk and that your Windows user has right permissions. If it's a network share, map it or use correct credentials. This avoids silent failures during automated backups. You finish by running a manual backup to the new path to confirm everything works. Don't rely on scheduled jobs yet. Once the backup completes, inspect the file size and timestamp to ensure it's valid and recent, and attempt a quick restore to a test company if possible. If the backup fails, check NTFS permissions, network connectivity, and that the path string is correct. Often it's a missing write permission or an unreachable network share. After resolving issues, rerun the manual backup to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.